The question is, the moment of force F is equals to 4I cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap at 2, 0, minus 3 about the point 2, minus 2, minus 2 is given by. So moment is equals to R cross F. R is equal to 2I cap plus 0 j cap minus 3k cap minus 2I cap plus minus 2j cap minus 2k cap which is equal to 0 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 1k cap. So moment is equals to 2j cap minus k cap cross 4 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 6 k cap, and after solving this the answer would be equal to minus 7 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 8 k cap, which is option number 3. Yes, so option number 3 is correct option.